Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are flipping through the first half of the year in my memory planner. I am doing this video to show once again, because hopefully my book journal video is already up ahead of this one. But if not, and this one goes up first, there is another project that has fallen to the wayside. I do these videos to also be very honest with everyone that follows me as inspiration, that there are times where I take on a certain amount of projects that I would like to do throughout the course of the year. And sometimes I lose the wind in the sails for some of them. And surprisingly, I have done my memory planner for 5 years. I have 5 completed memory planners because I started when I first became a mom. And this year, it's fallen off the wayside. I think it's fallen off the wayside truly because my 6x8 family stories are longer stories, photo heavy projects that I don't feel the need to print out little photos to talk about the everyday, because I think my concentration and reflection on, this year has gone to doing the more word heavy 6x8 stories that you've been seeing on my channel. There's no wrong or right reason. And in fact, I actually remembered that I hadn't done it in a while. And I was like, oh my God, I can totally catch up for August. So leave me a comment down below. Let's go through a flip through. Let me show you how much I've skipped though. And let me know if you would like me to bring this back, because it is a simple project. It didn't take that much time. I think I just allocated that time to other things. So let's get started. So I am doing it. The thing I changed up this year is that this is a classic size happy planner, and I have the vertical as well as the horizontal layouts in here. And in the beginning of the year, I was also still on an Etsy shop called Darbi Sticker Shop. She has an Etsy store. She does planner stickers, but I applied for her design team to be her memory keeping guru, and and that's probably also what happened too. A lot of the layouts you will see are featuring her stickers because I had to do a project every week. So I just always saved my memory planner to show off her planner sticker shop. And I think that's a little bit on what happened in discouraging me from this product, because I kind of, even with any shop, any owner, any, brand that we follow, I love, for instance, a lot of what Heidi Swapp does. But if Heidi Swapp does a collection that is not really my colors or not really something I'm going to use, I'll pass on said collection. And I think when you're on a design team, you can't pass on the collection. So I have to kind of showcase said product. So I was feeling less inspired. Let's just say that. So this one right here was actually using Traci Reed products. There is a process video for this one showing off everything that is on this page. And once again, my little photos, which I actually do miss printing out, and these everyday stories as well. Week 2 here, this is a flip. These are stickers from the Darbi Sticker Shop, and I did some stamping there, and I used those functional boxes to kind of isolate some of my handwriting. 3rd week, these are all Darbi across the bottom. These were actually the flowers that I helped her create. So this was I think it was called Valentine's, was this sticker sheet in addition to one other one, which are still available in the shop. I will leave her sticker shop link down below. These florals are all Darbi, but then these 2 elements here are actually from Heidi Swapp herself. I was subscribed to the Stop to Blur kit at this point, and that was also it. So I had Stop the Blur, which I wanted to use, and I have a lot of it now in my stash. And because, like I said, once again, I was on a design team with a project due every week, that I had to use my memory planner, because I don't do pretty planning for my design team spreads. So that played a part in why this fell to the wayside. And once again, I did a currently sheet. I didn't even fill this one in for February. That was also the Valentine collection. I used these for kind of ephemera for the month. So just the wall scents that were there. She got a new Squishmallow. Brought up a new pair of pants, did my nails. I had a conference that was from a conference, candies and stickers. This one, actually, these stickers are a combination of Live Love Posh, which I love, and I actually purchased these stickers. They were around at the time. These are from Caitlin Plans. The bagels were everything. Like, I love this page. So this one was definitely me inspired. So this was not a design team project. This, once again, was a design team project. I love changing the ink color too. You know, actually, now that I'm already flipping through this again with you guys, I miss this project, actually. So I may be bringing it back. I miss this project. The paint splatters and the kites are all Planet Darbi, along with the functional stickers that I use for showing off my storytelling in them. Very cute page. Boom, explosion. I love this. This one was also using her stickers. So don't get me wrong. Like these, love these. These, love these. Yes, I inspired it, but I think it was the colorway I decided in the end. Like, I love it, but it's not my favorite. You know what I mean? These, absolutely love. I should print them again and use them again. This was also a small layout with her collection. This was like a Best Friends Forever collection. Love all of the little bits, and Valentina had a play date. This was a Traci Reed project. My car got broken into, and the collection was called Tempest, and all of the sayings were like, seriously, you know, WTF, just ugh, heck no. So it worked out perfectly for that awful day. Once again, with the calendar, things we bought. This was not a design team. These are Live Love Posh stickers. She has some of my favorite florals. So I think that's why, because I do have a lot of the stickers that I use for this project that clearly are not getting used now as well. So I think I answered my own question. That's gray ink there too. I definitely have to do this project. These are all Planet Darbi in this color that's not necessarily a color I like browns and like burnt oranges, but I love the illustrations of all her florals. So this turned out beautiful, and also the colored ink. So this is Planet Darbi. This was design team. This is design team 2. She did these awesome butterflies, and then this is an alpha stamp from Allie Edwards. This is all Planet Darbi design team. She had a picnic collection come out, but this is scrapbook paper down here. This was also Planet Darbi. She did the same butterflies in a cool tone collection as well, and I never even finished the journaling here. And I think that's where, and that's where I dropped off. So I did the first quarter, January, February, March, and then here's April. There is nothing in April. There is nothing in May. And actually, for April though, hold on one second. At whatever point it was in April, I did print out all the photos, and I just still have them holding spots in my, I have a little box that I keep the printed pictures in. So I did print April, never did April. So that's hilarious, because I knew I had those printed because I did that eight collage. Here's May. Nothing in May. Nothing in June. Yeah, nothing in June. Didn't even do one. And nothing in July. And here we are, mid-August. And yeah, so how many weeks are we there in mid-August? So 1, 2. So we're in second week. So I technically can go back and do last week. And I'm filming this today on Sunday the 13th. So I can catch up on this. Let me know, what do you think? Like, do you miss me doing, because remember also this was a new size for me this year too, because I've been doing the big one forever. And actually I appreciated the size. It was less landscape to cover. And overall, I do like a lot of these layouts. Some of them, like I was saying, were just forced because of design team requirements, which sometimes can be the problem when you're on a design team. And other ones were obviously done for me that I liked, using products I liked. So like I said, I'm torn. So leave your comments down below. Like I said, I'm just doing this video to check in, to do a flip through, and to also show you, like I said in the beginning, that I'm not perfect with all the projects I set out to do. Let me know if you want this back on my channel, because I can definitely catch up last week's and use products that I love, and this week's, and then stay current. I am not attempting to go back and fill this in. Not at all. That's not how I roll. I will probably just paper clip these April photos into here. That way they can be like flip through, or even just, you know, kind of put 1, 2, 3, 4 and kind of be done with it. You know, just so that I still have the memories on what was going on, because it's like gardening photos, Easter photos, birthday photos for Maui. So, you know, sweet things that happen. And remember, I do Project Life. So overall, last bit too, overall, when I look at this, I do have Maui's documented in my thing. I have some cooking photos in my album already. I have Easter documented in my 12 by 12. So this is like what I say about, I do Project Life. And then some of these, like, you know, I have a story coming up soon about her craftiness. You know, some of these photos, I don't think I've blown any of these up really into my 6x8. This is a 6x8, so that one's retold. And Easter has been told a couple times. Have I done a planting one? No, but maybe I do need to do a planting one. So that's what I mean. So the photos are with me, just in other projects. So do I necessarily need this project to be redundant to Project Life? Maybe not. But I think what I liked about it was playing with product. So like if I'm not doing it, then I'm not playing with my stickers, you know? Food for thought. Let's have a discussion in the comments. Honestly, I would love to hear your thoughts on projects that you start and don't finish, projects that like this that you started, don't finish, but you have an urge to reactivate them. Or should I let it go? Just let it go. And I'm okay with letting it go. I won't have, you know, heartache over letting it go. It was a phase. I've evolved and my storytelling looks a little bit different right now. That's all that comes from it. There may be a time where I don't do 12 by 12 Project Life, you know, so that all comes with evolving as a memory keeper. So let me know what your thoughts are, if I should start it or not, or if there is any projects that you've started and quit. Let me know that too. I'd love to chit chat with you down below. So thank you for joining me for this little chit chat video. I hope that you feel less alone in case you're just like me. It's okay to say, you know what, I did it for 3 months and we're not going to finish the rest of the year. And it's something I don't have to keep in my rotation going forward. Yeah, love to know your thoughts. Thank you for joining me, everyone. Please subscribe. And until next time, bye.